Good morning. I'm Dr. Nikita Deshmukh. I'm an ENT surgeon, ENT and head and neck surgeon, and I'm working with KIMS Hospital at Kondapur. Today, I want to share with you people about some warning signs of head and neck cancer. It's really important because in today's scenario, we are focusing so much on only COVID and corona infection that a number of symptoms are getting overlooked. And in these last 6 months, I have diagnosed a number of cases of thyroid cancer and the voice box cancer. That's the reason why I thought it's important to educate everyone about the oral malignancies, especially in the upper airway. So what are the warning signs? Basically, if you are having blood-stained nasal discharge, a mucoid discharge which is coming from the nose from a long time, it can be a sign of a sinus malignancy. In a similar way, if there is a persistent eustachian tube block, that is a middle ear blockage which is present, and along with that if there are mouth breathing symptoms, that goes in favor of something called as the nasopharyngeal carcinoma. If you have change in voice, if there are blood-stained discharge coming out from the oral cavity, that could be an indication of an upper airway cancer. It could be a laryngeal cancer or it could be the cancer of the food pipe. If there is a progressive symptoms of dysphagia, that is difficulty in swallowing, or a foreign body sensation in the throat which has been long standing, please do not ignore this because it can be a sign of something called as the supraglottic carcinoma. Now, supraglottic carcinoma or the laryngeal carcinomas usually are very silent because there is a lot of space there for the mass to expand, and by the time the patient presents to us with any of the symptoms, it already goes into the second or third stage of cancer. When they get neck nodes, or when the cancer goes from the upper part of the larynx, that is the supraglottic, to the glottic area, that is the time when the voice change starts. So what I will suggest is that if there is any foreign body sensation which is there over a significant period of time, please see your doctor, ENT doctor, so that they can have a look at your voice box and check whether these kind of symptoms are present. As we all know, the predisposing factors for this are smoking, tobacco chewing, and what is even more important is a family history. If there is a family history of malignancy, then the person is at a higher risk to get this kind of cancers. Apart from that, oral cancers are also very common and they happen more in tobacco chewers and gutka chewers. Also, apart from that, if there is a misdirected tooth which is constantly irritating the oral mucosa, that can also give rise to oral cancers. So if you have an ulcer or soreness in the mouth in an area which has been there for a long time, and especially if there is an occasional bleeding happening from that sore area, please do not ignore this. Apart from this, there could be a swelling in the cheek, that is the parotid area, which may be a small in size initially and then gradually it increases in size. This is the symptom of parotid neoplasm. Most of the parotid neoplasms are benign, like pleomorphic adenoma, that is, they are not cancerous, but there is a chance that they can in future get converted into cancers. So please be a little aware of all these things, and if you have any such symptoms, please do not ignore such symptoms. Go and see your ENT doctor. This is an important thing which we have to keep in mind. Now we looked at the salivary gland cancers and also the laryngeal and the food pipe related cancers. Apart from that, a very important structure in the neck, that is the thyroid gland, which is one of the important endocrine glands, also can present with thyroid malignancies. If there is a long-standing swelling in the thyroid, which is called as the goiter, then typically the thyroid levels are absolutely normal. But as the time progresses, there is a chance that this thyroid gland or the thyroid adenoma which is present can go into cancerous changes. Especially if it is a single small nodule, then the chances of cancer are even more. So if there is a thyroid nodule and although your thyroid levels are normal, please go for a test called as fine needle aspiration cytology, which will tell us whether there are chances of this particular thyroid gland going into malignancy or not. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. All the cancers, when they are diagnosed at an early stage, the prognosis is much better. And there is always a treatment for any kind of disease. So do not get depressed or dejected, or don't try to hide the symptoms. see your doctor at the earliest. And now with very good head and neck cancer treatment centers available all over the India. There is IMRT, that is radiation therapy, which is image modulated. The risk factors are not so much as they used to be in the past. So if you go for a proper treatment, whether it's surgery, chemotherapy or radiotherapy, you can definitely fight against cancers. And prevention is always better than cure. So always make sure that if you are into the habit of smoking, alcohol, tobacco chewing, gutka, please give up these habits. Where there is a will, there is a way, and health is the most important aspect of life. So if you want to quit smoking or tobacco, there are different techniques like breathing techniques which can help you in this. Sudarshan Kriya is a powerful breathing technique, and I have seen a lot of my patients with history of chronic smoking who are easily able to quit smoking with the help of this Sudarshan Kriya. Same holds good for gutka also. So I would definitely urge all of you to learn breathing techniques and try and give up these habits which can give rise to problems like malignancies. And not only that, also there is increased risk of stroke, cardiovascular symptoms when you have habits of tobacco chewing, smoking and alcohol. So at the end, I repeat, better safe than sorry. And in the corona era, please take care of other symptoms also, and do not ignore them where they become really complicated and present in the form of malignancies. Thank you.